Students, the next page replacement algorithm is optimal page replacement algorithm. So let me take an example. We're taking a reference string. So based upon the reference string, we are getting the number of page faults and page hits. So here is the reference string is 7 0 1 2 0 3 0 4 2 3 0 3 2 1 2 0 1 7. So this is the reference string. And we are taking a main memory. How many frames we are having the main memory? Totally we are having the 3 frames. So total we are having the 3 frames. So what's the first page we need to place 7. So this is the main memory having 3 frames, F1, F2, F3. You already know what is page fault, page hit, etc. So first page is 7. So initially you already know main memory is empty, free. Okay, so what's the first CPU demanded page? 7. So is it 7 present in the main memory? No. So this is a page fault. So we need to replace. So where we are getting 7? From the disk. From the disk we are getting 7 and we are loaded into main memory. From the disk we are getting the 7 and that particular 7 will be loaded into main memory. Here we are placing 7. Okay, so what's the next one? 0. So 0 is not presented in the main memory. In the same way, from the disk 0 will be loaded into main memory. So 7 0. So this is also a page fault. Next one 1. So 1 is also not there in the main memory, and this one also you can call as a page fault. In the same way we are getting 1 from the disk. So what's the next page? 2. So in the previous video, means FIFO algorithm, so which page is to be replaced? So which page is to be replaced? First in, first out. So ఏ పేజ్ అయితే ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ చేస్తామో ఆ పేజ్ అనేది రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నాము. బట్ ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్టిమల్ పేజ్ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ algorithm, the page which is not used for the last time, means the page is not used for the long time, that page is to be removed. So now I'll check here. So actually what we are having in the memory 7 0 1. So 0 is recently used, 1 also used, but 7 is not used for the long time. So 7 page will be removed. Are you clear? So in the FIFO algorithm, ఫస్ట్ ఏదైతే ఫస్ట్ వస్తుందో పేజ్ ఆ పేజ్ని రిమూవ్ చేస్తున్నాము. బట్ ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఆప్టిమల్ పేజ్ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ అల్గారిథం, ద పేజ్ విచ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ద లాంగ్ టైమ్, the page which is not used for the long time, that page is to be removed. So in the example reference string, 7 is not used. So this is not used for the long time. So that particular page will be removed. So this is also called as an page fault. So what we are having the next? We are having 0. So 0 is already present. So we can write like as an hit. Page hit. Demanded page is presented in the memory. You can call it as a hit. Next one is 3. So 3 is not there. So it's a page fault. but which page is to be removed. So 2 next 0 next day only, 2 next day only, but 1 is not used for the long time, so 1 will be removed and 1 will be replaced with 3. So next 0, so 0 is already present, you can write like an hit. So 2 0 3. Next 4, so 4 is not there, so is a page fault, but which page is to be removed. So next 2 is nextly used, 3 is nextly used, but 0 is not used for the long time, so 0 page will be removed. 2 4 3. Next we are having 2, so 2 is already presented in the memory, so you can write like an hit. 2 4 3. Next one is 3, so 3 is also present, so we can write like as an hit. So next one is an 0. Next one is an 0, so 0 is not present, so is an page fault, but which page is to be removed? So actually 3 is used, 2 is used, but 4 is not used, so 4th page will be removed. 2 0 3. So the next page CP is demanding, so CP is demanding for 3, so 3 is already there, so you can write like an hit. So next one 2 is also present, so 2 0 3, so this is also you can call as an hit. So next one is 1, so 1 is not there, so is a page fault, but which page is to be removed? 2 is there, 0 is there, but 3 is not used, so 3 will be removed. 3 will be replaced by 1. 2 0 1. So next recommended page is 2, so 2 is already there, 2 0 1, so this is an hit. Next 0, so 2 0 1, so this is also called as an hit. Next 1, so 1 is also there, 2 0 1, so this is also an hit. And last we are using 7. Okay, so next or the next one 2 will be removed longer time, so 7 0 1. So this is the page replacement algorithm. Now we'll calculate the number of hits. Number of hits is equal to, calculate it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next, number of page faults is equal to same 9. Now we will calculate the hit percentage, hit ratio. Hit percent is equal to number of hits by total number of references is equal to 9 by, is the total number of references are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 into 100, so we are getting 50%. In the same way, page fault percentage is equal to same number of page faults 9 by total number of references 18 into 100 is equal to 50%. So by using the optimal replacement algorithm, we are getting equal number of page faults and equal number of page sheets, 50% and 50%. So this is about the optimal page replacement algorithm.